Red shawl, thick as blood, contrails of clouds scything across the red canvas, woven with love and mystery. Did we learn it from the gods, or did we borrow it from the seasons, from rhododendron blooms on hilltops? Red shawl, my first swaddle blanket, coarse but warm like an embrace, my initiation gift into boyhood, a husk to protect the tender years, a wall of confidence in my teens, a fortified space in my youth where I mourned my heartbreaks, a shield when I took my vows, a company that will keep me warm in my winter years. Red shawl, our people's last swaddle blanket over the coffin, the prayers of our people wrapped in it, the only thing worth smuggling into the afterlife.